If you're searching for a detailed comparison of CoConstruct versus Buildertrend, you've come to the right place. These two construction management software options are often at the top of the list, but which one is the right fit for your needs? Stick around as we break it down in this video, comparing everything from project management features to ease of use, cost, and more, so you can make an informed decision. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start with the overall ease of use. CoConstruct is known for its simple interface and high level of customization. It allows you to tailor your project management to your exact needs, but it might take a bit longer to set up. On the other hand, Buildertrend offers a very intuitive interface and a quick learning curve, especially for those with less experience in construction software. You can start using it right away with minimal setup. Next thing we'll discuss is the cost. CoConstruct and Buildertrend are both premium options, but there's a difference in pricing structures. CoConstruct offers tiered pricing depending on your project size, while Buildertrend charges a flat fee per month. This might make Buildertrend more predictable in terms of costs, but CoConstruct could be a better fit for small or scaling businesses that only need a lower tier package. Both have free trials, but when it comes to pricing for your specific needs, it's worth getting a quote from each. Now, let's talk about customer support. CoConstruct shines in this department, offering 24/7 support, which is crucial for construction teams who may be working late or during off hours. Buildertrend also offers great support, but tends to focus more on business hours. Both provide email, phone, and chat support, but CoConstruct's level of attention during non-business hours can be a deciding factor for many. The fourth thing to consider is the integrations. Both software platforms offer integrations with various accounting tools like QuickBooks and Xero, but CoConstruct takes it a step further by offering seamless integration with other construction-specific software, like estimating tools and vendor management systems. Buildertrend also integrates well with several apps, but may require more manual setup for certain tools. Next up is the mobile experience. CoConstruct has a great mobile app that allows you to manage projects on the go. It's responsive and includes most of the features available on desktop, such as time tracking and messaging. Buildertrend's mobile app is also solid, but some users report that it could be a little more streamlined, especially for field workers who need quick access to key details. The next major difference is reporting and customization. CoConstruct offers more flexibility in generating reports, and it allows for customization of almost every aspect of your projects. You can create detailed financial reports or simple timelines, depending on your needs. Buildertrend has a good reporting suite, but it's not quite as flexible as CoConstruct. If reporting is a critical part of your project management, CoConstruct might be the better choice. The last thing worth mentioning is the project scheduling capabilities. Both CoConstruct and Buildertrend allow you to schedule tasks and track project timelines. However, Buildertrend offers more advanced scheduling tools, such as Gantt charts and scheduling forecasts, which can be a game changer for larger, more complex projects. CoConstruct's scheduling is efficient, but tends to be more straightforward, which can be an advantage for smaller teams or less intricate projects. Before we wrap up, remember, you can try both CoConstruct and Buildertrend for free through the exclusive links in the description. These free trials come with additional bonuses that you won't find elsewhere, giving you more time to explore the software without commitment. So, which one should you go for? If you're looking for a more customizable platform with strong customer support and flexibility in reporting, CoConstruct could be the better choice. But if you're after a quick-to-learn, feature-rich solution with strong scheduling and a predictable pricing structure, Buildertrend might be your best bet. Don't forget to check out the first link below to access the exclusive extended free trial for these platforms. Thanks for watching.